COVID-19 restrictions on travel have had a serious impact on the tourism industry. Jobs have been lost as some businesses have been forced to close their doors permanently due to a loss of income. But the sector is now looking to domestic travel to help it recover. Nobesuthu Hejana is in one of South Africa's favorite tourist destinations, that is Cape Town. Nobesuthu joining us now. And Nobesuthu, how are Cape Town businesses, tourism businesses coping under level 1 lockdown?
Well, Thembekile, as we know that a number of businesses, especially in the Western Cape, they did close down, mentioning the restaurants, especially those ones in the CBD. They had to shut their doors because they could not bounce back to the impact of COVID-19. However, though, the city of Cape Town does say it's not all doom and gloom, as they've managed to make sure that everything is stable. And I'm now joined by Alderman Mr. James Force. James, can you just tell us about the impact? You were telling me about the numbers despite the lockdown, but you've managed to contribute or make revenue.
Yes, I think it would be an understatement of it, and the resultant lockdowns didn't have a devastating effect on our economy. But in Cape Town, working with our strategic business partners in the different sectors of clothing and textile, food and beverage manufacturing, green tech, and many others, we've managed to attract more than 11.24 billion rand worth of new investments into the Cape Town economy, creating over 7,500 new jobs in those specific sectors. And I think it was about impact as what we could in terms of stabilizing, but also coming up with programs to adapt, so focus on economic recovery and readiness. And so those key sectors are really important for us as a city, because we want to make sure that Cape Town becomes the go-to city in Africa for travel and trade. And so by connecting these key source markets with products and with services, we will be able to transact again.
Yeah, and you were telling me that there are programs that you're currently doing to ensure that businesses are still operating.
Yeah, so the City of Cape Town works very closely with many of these strategic business partners in key sectors, and for us it's about creating job opportunities for these high-growth sectors by focusing on skills development, but also working with businesses in their retention and expansion programs. So we came up with a Cape Skills and Employment Accelerator program, where we pay stipends, we train, and we do job placements for people within the call sector industry, as well as in the clothing and textile sectors. We also came up with a program where we will be training people with for companies and also for SMMEs to connect them with the right job opportunities by doing work readiness training.
And here in Atlantis, what are sort of like those programs that you're currently running?
So in Atlantis, we are here now working from a dedicated investment facilitation office with our new special economic zone company that will focus on green tech manufacturing. So we have a dedicated investment facilitation office that works with investors, help to land those investments here, but we also do investment incentives where we make financial and non-financial incentives available as a City of Cape Town government to companies wishing to expand in this specific economic zone, but also throughout the whole city. And so there we came up with a business in distress program where we're working with companies to improve their productivity and their performance to make sure that those companies don't close their doors, and also to avoid further job losses. Because for us it's about creating more employment and those skills pipelines into those high growth sectors. And therefore we also have a dedicated program focusing on small businesses, because don't forget that 60 to 80% of new jobs come from small businesses. And there we have a whole range of programs like product development, focusing on the small business needs of our city.
All right, thank you very much. Well, Thembekile, that was Mr. James Force, the MMC here in Cape Town, talking about some of the programs that they're currently running to ensure that businesses don't necessarily shut their doors and there are job opportunities created.
Nobesuthu Hejana in Cape Town. For now, thank you. It's coming up.